Creggan there lives a white hare, as swift as the swallow that flies through the air. You can search the world over, find none to compare to the pride of low Creggan, that bonny white hare. One fine autumn morning, as you might suppose, oh, a red golden sun or the green mountain rose, bonny Conway came down and did loudly declare, oh, well, today I'll put an end to that bonny white hare. So we searched through the lowlands and down through the glens, all among the wild ditches where the white hare had dens, till at last coming down on a bog bank so bare, from behind a wild thistle out jumps the white hare. Bang, bang went his gun, and his dogs he slipped too, as swift as the wind o'er the mountain they flew. But his dogs soon came back, and this made Barney cry, for he knew that the white hare had bid him goodbye. He is some jolly sportsmen down here from Pomeroy, from Cookstown, Dungannon, likewise from the Moy. With their pedigree greyhounds they've come from afar, they came down to the Creggan in a fine motor car. What is down through the lowlands those huntsmen did go, to search for the white hare they looked high and low, till at last bonny Conway came on its lair, shouted out to the huntsmen, there lies the white hare. So they called in their greyhounds from off the green lea, well, Barney and the huntsmen all jumped high with glee, and on a turf bank they gathered around, 7 men and 9 dogs did that poor hare surround. No wonder the poor hare did tremble with fear, she stood on her hind legs and raised her big ears. She stood on her toes and gave one gallant spring, she jumped over the greyhounds and into the ring. The chase went on, 'twas a beautiful view, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain they flew. But those pedigree greyhounds, they couldn't run far, they came back and went home in their fine motor cars. So now to conclude and to finish my rhyme, I hope you'll forgive me for singing all this time. If there's any amongst you in Carrickmore fair, drink a jolly good toast to the bonny white hare.